Want to send the right message to the right person every time? GoHighLevel tags make segmenting your leads super easy. Here's how to use them to boost conversions. Start in your Contacts tab. Select a lead and assign a tag based on their behavior, like webinar registered, cold lead, or high-ticket prospect. Tags help you instantly know where someone is in your pipeline. Also, GoHighLevel lets you add tags automatically. For example, when a lead downloads a free guide, they can be tagged lead magnet download, or when they book a call, they get tagged appointment booked. Use tags to group leads into targeted lists. This means you can send personalized emails, SMS campaigns, and offers that match their exact stage in the buyer journey. Tags can also trigger workflows. For instance, a high-ticket prospect tag might kick off a nurture sequence designed to close bigger deals. And regularly review your tags to keep them organized. Clean tags ensure your campaigns stay accurate and avoid messy data. And that's how you use tags to segment leads in GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.